Built from the most reliable fastening platform on the market, the VIN-700 is engineered to augment hand assembly for automatic pin insertion. This system can be configured inline for vertical assembly or pistol gripped for horizontal applications. Part interface tooling is custom designed to allow pin placement in tough part geometry such as counterbores, recesses, and raised bosses. This unique Visumatic drive system engages behind the fastener, allowing the operators to use the pin to align mated parts prior to install actuation. Paired with Visumatic's standard Model 94 pin feeder, the VIN-700 can be built to feed and insert a wide range of fasteners including barbed darts, pins, dowels, standard rivets, and dual-action push pins. Give your operators parts handling relief with this state-of-the-art automated insertion gear.